Now see here, we'll find the force between two straight conductors carrying current. Now what is the meaning of this one? Okay, the meaning of this one is that there are two parallel conductors. They might be carrying current in the same direction or in the opposite direction, but due to the two conductors carrying current, there exists a force of attraction or repulsion between the conductors. So the topic is uh, force force between force between two parallel current carrying conductor. ठीक है, placed at a distance, placed at a distance d. So this is the topic. So you see here, what I want to say is that, say for example, there are two parallel conductors, they are carrying current. Okay, there are two parallel conductors, they are carrying current. Say for example, in this conductor the current is flowing in this direction, and in this conductor the current is flowing in this direction. And you have seen that, and we know that the distance between these two conductors is d. The distance between these two conductors is d. What happens, you see, whenever the current will flow in this conductor and the current will flow in this conductor, these two wires they are parallel to each other, so they will experience a force. Either these two wires will be attracted or other these two wires will be repelled. So we have to find out the repulsive force or the attractive force in this means the in between the two wires carrying current. Okay, so how to find it out? Now see here I want to say you that just to try to understand a fact. The current is flowing in this direction, so can you find the magnetic field due to this current? Yes, you take your right hand palm, just grip this wire, and the thumb represent direction of this current, and this curling finger will give the direction of the magnetic field. Now here the curling finger enters inside the board, and it enters and it comes out, and again it enters here. So thus you can say that the curling fingers actually produces a magnetic field. If you just consider the field to be very big one, then you can say the curling fingers, these are the magnetic field pattern, means this is going inside. Okay, the field is coming from the, just you consider first of all this wire, the current in this wire produces a magnetic field around this, and in this magnetic field this wire is kept. So you all know from the first concept that whenever a current carrying wire is kept in a magnetic field, it experiences a force given by F is equal to IDL cross B vector. IDL vector cross B vector. This you know it. So here you say the magnetic field due to this particular current I1, it produces magnetic field like this, and it goes inside. So that means you can say here the magnetic field is going inside. So this is what this is here. You can put it cross like this. Now here you can put it, and here you can take some length, that is small length. You can take this small length, say I am taking as, say it is IDL. I take this length as, say, IDL length. Now this is red na. I take this length as, say here it is not IDL, it is I2DL. I can take this length. Okay, now see here, this is the magnetic, this is the magnetic means this is the magnetic field going inside the board, and the wire is carrying current. See, I2DL is like this. So the what is the force? Yes, the force on this particular thing, you can say what is the differential force on this is wire 1 and this is wire 2. Okay, so differential force on wire 2 with the current in wire 1, the differential force in wire 2 due to the effect in current 1 can be written as, yes, this one I2 dl cross this one, say this is your B1. Okay, so we can say it is B1 vector. This thing you can write. So you see this, that you see here that this B1 vector is inside, and I2dl vector is here, and B1 vector is here. Then दोनों का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट मतलब क्या करना है अपने को, स्क्रू लेना है और I2DL से B1 की ओर घुमाना है, इसको घुमाएंगे। सो I2DL से B1 की ओर घुमाएंगे तो स्क्रू कहाँ जा रहा है, इधर, मीन्स स्क्रू जा रहा है इधर, मीन्स यू कैन से दैट there is a force here acting, that is you can represent it as dF2 due to this one, okay। and ये इसके दोनों के बीच में कितना एंगल है, 90 है, तो इस दोनों का मतलब इसको एक्सपैंड करेंगे तो साइन टर्म में साइन 90 क्या हो जाएगा, 1, इट विल बिकम 1। so you can say that this dF21 is equal to I2DL, or simply it is B1। and you from the last Ampere's circuital law application, we find what is the magnetic field B1 at a distance d, yes, what is the magnetic field B1 at a distance d from this wire carrying current I1, so directly you can write it as B1 is equal to, yes, mu naught I1 upon 2 pi d, yes, 2 pi d, just you substitute this B1 here. So if you substitute this B1 here, then you can find it out that dF21 is equal to your I2DL, and it becomes your mu naught I1 upon 2 pi d. Now after that you can say that if you want to find this dF21 upon dl, then you can find it out as mu naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi d. So this is the most important expression, you find it out that what is the force per unit length on this wire. This is the force per unit length on this wire, okay, and this is the force on this wire. Now if you want to find, if you want to find that what is the force on this wire due to current in this wire, okay, what is the force on this I1, that is what is the force on wire 1 due to current in wire 2, then what you will be doing at that case, what you have, see, you are having these two wires, okay, this is the carrying current I1 and this is also carrying current I2. Now you have to find the magnetic field due to this I2, the magnetic field due to this I2 interacting with this particular wire 1, okay. So this is wire 1 and this is wire 2. Now if you want to just find the magnetic field, then you can just grip it with the with this palm of the right hand, then you find the magnetic field अंदर से घुसता है और यहाँ से घुस करके फिर यहाँ से बाहर आएगा, मतलब ये बोलो कि इसके अंदर घुस गया और घुस करके सीधा यहाँ से आएगा बाहर, right। that means what, that it means that, see, these two are the wires like this, say it is 1 and it is 2, the current is say I1 and the current is say I2. Now here you see that the magnetic field here is coming, the magnetic field here is coming out, it is coming out, and this magnetic field can be told as, say, it is B2, okay, B2. Now what is the distance between these two wires, it is D. So can you find the value of B2 here? Yes, B2 can be found it out. B2, we know the result to find the B2. B2 is equal to how much? It is mu naught I2, because this is due to this current. The mu naught I2 upon your 2 pi, the distance is becoming D. And what is the force on this wire then? Then we have to take a vector here, say I1 dl, okay. So see here, again see, I1 dl. Now the force, this magnetic field is out of the page. The magnetic field is out of the page. I1 dl vector is like this. Now you have to rotate the screw from, yes, what is the expression for the force? Write down the expression for the force. What is the expression for the force? dF1, yes, dF1 मतलब इस पे जो लगता है, dF1 due to 2 is what? It is equal to what? I1 dl cross your B2. This is the expression for the force. So means you have to rotate the vector screw from I1 dl to B2, I1 dl to B2. Now see, the current here is I1 dl up, the magnetic field is coming out of the page. Now you have to rotate from I1 dl to B2. कहाँ से कैसे रोटेट करो स्क्रू को? ऐसे रोटेट करूंगा तो देखो यहाँ से क्या होता है कि B2 से रोटेट हो रहा है, ये नहीं, ये तो वैलिड नहीं है। अब देखो I1 dl से B2 में रोटेट करना, तो उसके लिए क्या करना, आपके क्या करना है, इस स्क्रू को ऐसे घुमाना है। किस प्रकार घुमाएंगे, तो इट विल रोटेट फ्रॉम नाउ I1 dl to B2. अब ये स्क्रू विल गो लाइक दिस, द स्क्रू go like this, then you can at once you can say that there is a force is acting in this direction, and this force is your force on 1 due to 2 is acting like this, okay. So here you find that the force is acting like this, means on this wire there is also a force like this. So you can say this force is small component में कितना हो जाता है dF1 due to 2. So these two wires will now they will attract. Okay, so remember, when the current is flowing in the same direction, there is always a force of attraction. What is there? There is a force of attraction. Okay, when the wire is carrying current in the same direction, there exists a force of attraction. तो यहाँ से जल्दी से आप निकाल लो कि dF12 क्या हो जाएगा, ये इतना हो जाएगा, ये दोनों के बीच में एंगल कितना है 90 है, तो ये हट जाएगा. तो dF12 बराबर यहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा I1dl एंड सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यू ऑफ B2, इट बिकम्स योर म्यू नॉट I2 अपॉन क्या हो गया 2 pi d. At once we find the result that this force upon this distance per unit length is equal to mu naught I1 I2 upon 2 pi d. See, you can tally this result with this one. See, these two results are coming to be same. Okay, these two results are coming to be same. This one and this one, these two results are coming to be same. So this is actually the value of the force per unit length. Okay, now in the next part they will ask you that it is your home assignment to find that if two wires are carrying current in the opposite direction, say this is current I1 and this is current I2 and their distance is d, then what the force exists? There is a force of attraction or there is force of repulsion. That one you will explain me and send me the reply in the WhatsApp personal to me. Okay, so the answer you should tell me, and or if you are not knowing the answer, I will discuss later in the next class. Now you can define 1 ampere current. Okay, so how we will define this 1 ampere current? So 1 ampere current definition. What is the definition of the 1 ampere current? Okay, now say if I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 1 ampere and D is equal to 1 meter, means let the two wires are carrying the current of 1 ampere current. We have to define 1 ampere current, and if the two wires are kept at a distance 1 meter apart, then can you tell me what is the force per unit length on the wire? Yes, the force per unit length of the wire is equal to mu naught I1 I2 अपॉन 2 पाई डी. नाउ म्यू नॉट का वैल्यू हमको मालूम है कितना होता है 4 पाई इंटू 10 टू द पावर -7 इंटू I1 I2 कितना है 1 एम्पियर डिफाइन करना है, और 2 पाई और डी कितना है 1 मीटर. तो यहाँ से देखो ये पाई गया और ये गया, सो इट बिकम्स DF अपॉन DL इज इक्वल टू 2 इंटू 10 टू द पावर -7 न्यूटन पर मीटर. सो दस व्हाट हैपेंस, we got a very important definition of 1 ampere current. 1 ampere current flowing in two wires means the force on the two wires per unit length. The force per unit length is how much? If 2 into 10 to the power -7 Newton per meter. So if the force is 2 into 10 to the power -7 Newton per meter existing between the two wires, then definitely the current that is flowing in the wire is 1 ampere current. So what happens? If force of 2 into 10 to the power -7 Newton per meter exists है ना between two wires carrying equal currents. Okay, equal current है ना, and the force is what? And force क्या होगा? Force is attractive है ना, or you can say two wires are getting attraction, force is attractive, then current in wire is equal to 1 ampere. Followed or not? So this is all about the force of attraction or repulsion between the wire.